Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to day 16 of the 21-day cleaning routine challenge. Day 16 is plan and pay. On the printable, you'll see this daily focus section. We already covered Monday of the weekly home blessing. Today we're going to cover Tuesday, the plan and pay section. This day is meant to help you plan anything that you have coming up for the week or the early part of next week, get that all planned and ready to go, and also for paying your bills. So for the planning part of this, I like to use it for making phone calls, setting up appointments, setting up play dates, getting everything organized and in one spot so I know what's going on for the rest of the week and the beginning of next week. It's so helpful to write it down, know what's going on so you don't have to keep it all stored up in your brain and make yourself completely frazzled. I personally don't pay our bills as my husband does that, but I still use it for financial things. I help put our receipts and bills and things into our QuickBooks, so I use this time to do that. You only have to spend 10, 15, or 20 minutes on each of these tasks, but the daily focuses are just really nice to have so that you know each day of a small thing that you have to do to keep things under control. You just know that on Monday is your weekly home blessing, Tuesday is your plan and pay, and we'll learn the others as we go along here in this challenge the rest of the week. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join me. If you've been around for a while, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 17. Bye.